Hello and welcome to another update video about PEPE. Haven't covered PEPE for quite some time, but we're now approaching key levels and the trend is clearly still down. So what we need to do in this video is to adjust resistance. So we can adjust here Fibonacci resistance. We can check the support levels and we want to talk about the different structures that are possible here. The price could still try for a fifth wave to the upside. So currently, I mean, this might still be a fourth wave. That's one scenario. Still one that I am tracking that I kind of like. The idea that this is a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, all of this a wave 4, and then we get one more high in wave 5. Whether that's then completing a larger 5-wave cycle or if it's just wave 3, for now it doesn't matter. It's very much possible that... Let me just move that back. It's very much possible that the third already topped here and we're now in this larger fourth, yeah, but it wouldn't really change much. Overall idea is that we're currently, locally in a downtrend, probably in wave C or 4, after we had an A wave down, a B wave up, and this is a C wave down. And then we could move up from there in a fifth wave. So that's one idea I have, but again, until we form some kind of a low and we get finally some kind of a signal that a bounce is starting, this is a very, very hot knife to catch if you're trying to go long here or so. Yeah, the trend is clearly still down. It's been like that for quite some time. The last time where the price had actually a chance for reversal was here. From that was the 3rd of February. You know that range well. We spent pretty much all of February in this sideways range, but the price formed simply an Elliott wave triangle, best I can tell, and we're now in the 5th wave down. If this was really a triangle, then ideally this is now the last move down. It's getting quite long, but we also haven't reached yet the next Fibonacci support level. So the next level here is 55094. That would be the next Fibonacci support. That's wave 5 of C of 4, yeah. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5 to the downside. So that is what I'm tracking here. Important to understand that here, yeah, the green line, a break above it at 89129 is the first one that needs to be broken to the upside to indicate that a low of sorts is in place. So that is very important. We can't just assume a low is in without a reaction. So 55094 would be the next key level to watch. The price clearly reacted to the 23.6 Fib level. So current thesis would be that we could get a bounce there as well. But without seeing the structure, without seeing if actually buying pressure comes in, I can't promise you a reversal. It's definitely an area to watch because we're closing in on that level. That's one reason why I actually cover PEPE today. In addition to that, what else could you watch for? Well, we could draw a trend line here. That's actually a bit sharper than ideal, but it's okay. And what do I mean with that? Well, if it's too sharp, it can produce fake out signals a lot. Normally 45 degrees is best. This is a bit sharper, I think. But still, pay attention to the trend line. The earliest signal that some kind of a low is in, of course, here a break above that last high. That's the earliest signal. Not so strong, I think. But here that's at 73607 now. And then when we finally get a bounce, we have to make sure that we understand this could simply be a B wave bounce. Okay, if a larger top already formed in December and the next rally is only clearly corrective, this is an area to watch. The problem is many coins could easily get another low, another high. And it's not very clear because a lot of altcoins typically form 3-wave tops. This is a 3-wave top. The price might have formed the top in an A wave, and we're now going down. This is clearly a 5-wave move down. So I wouldn't rely on that one more high, but still we're approaching a key level from where at least a larger recovery is possible. But I would normally recommend to wait for a first reaction before going bullish. I mean, you can always buy if you want to. That's your decision. From an analysis point of view, I can only comment that for now the trend is down. yeah, a hot knife, yeah, very hot knife that you try to catch there if you go long right now. I think this is an area from where a recovery can be attempted, and we're very close, I think, but whether it's going to be successful or not really depends on the structure. So what we normally want to see is at least a first rally that breaks above initial resistance. Now that could be one of these signal lines, and then a higher low. And that is giving you, because now you can't set a stop loss, right? Can you? Where would you set it? You would ideally wait for a rally, maybe a small breakout, then a pullback that forms a higher low, and then you can set the stop below the last low. That's just one way of handling it. I'm just telling you what is generally reasonable, but there are many strategies, obviously, for traders. But yeah, that's my view at the moment here. Obviously, a break below 38778, if it breaks down all the way to the 50% retracement level and even below that, that would actually be too deep for such a fourth wave. No. Then orange will clearly take the lead. For now, this looks like a 5-wave move down. It clearly is. But I see it as wave C of 4. At least that's a plausible interpretation. Could be wave A in orange. So we have to be aware of that and then see if the price and how the price reacts to this red resistance zone should it be tested. That's the update about PEPE. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.